will enable you to log into your site builder. As an example, I have created this user ID and password. So this is where you enter your user ID and password to log in. The following page opens up and you click on Go Mobi right. And this takes a while sometimes, but when it opens up, you will see on the right hand side here in a photograph of a cell phone, like here right now, the site opens up as it would appear. We then have three different things here.